2004 Pontiac GTO with a 6.0 liter swap. Here's what we got done on it. It's got headers right there and right there. We didn't touch any of this part. Came in with it like this. We started right here, installed a Y pipe, and he brought in his own Carven R series. We'll have a link in the description, and you can also find them at our website at exhaustaddicts.com. All the way 3-inch tailpipe, all the way back into a dual stainless steel exhaust tip. There'll be a link for those as well. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. Should you have gone with the Carven R or the Carven TR series? Or maybe something else, a Borla, something like that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Always subscribe. Idles by 87. Is that what you're looking for, man? Is it? Here's sound decibels. One more. About 114, 115. Here's the old system that we cut off of it. No, yeah. Right there. If you guys don't know, we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust. 3560 Dickerson Pike. What you guys think in the comments. Oh my god, you can still hear it. You can still hear it, guys. Wow. Carven R or Carven TR? Let me know in the comments, guys.